Hey. Okay, with regard to these vegetables, man, I can't tell you any more about the vegetables than your mom and dad did when they were trying to convince you that vegetables were good for you. You know and I know that vegetables by themselves, depending upon how you prepare them, they taste amazing and they're packed with nutrients and vitamins, right? Now, the only difference would be the way in which you choose to prepare your veggies. There's several methods. You can boil them, right? You can steam them. You can stir fry them. You can bake them. And you can also, put them on a grill if you choose. A lot of folks like doing that. But for today, we're gonna go ahead and bake them. Primarily because when you bake these particular veggies, and others as well, right? What that heat does is caramelize the natural sugars inside the veggie, right? And you get that natural sweetness, okay? So let me just transition over here to our ingredients. And this is what we're gonna be using to prepare this meal, right? We have onion powder, we have garlic powder, we have the Tony Churchers. You probably can pronounce it better than I can, right? Salted and unsalted. We got our pepper, we have our chili powder, we also have our cheese Parmesan, right? Parmesan cheese, and also some olive oil, all right? So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and prepare our veggies. Okay, here we go. Let me go ahead and wash my hands. Wash my hands real quick. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and prep the asparagus, the broccoli, and the cauliflower. We're gonna put them into our colander. We're gonna wash them up, clean them really well. And we're gonna make this thing happen. Okay? Okay. So what we're gonna do? Okay, when you're preparing your asparagus, you can't eat this hard portion here, right? This is the tough end. You have to cut that off. Now the Chinese, when they're doing stir fry, they actually prepare all of the entire asparagus portion. But what we're gonna do for the purposes of this particular dish, this roasted vegetable dish, we're gonna go ahead and cut these ends off, maybe about 1, 2, 3, maybe about 4 to 5 inches up, right? Boom. Go ahead and toss these away. Put these into our colander. I'm gonna go ahead and get started with the broccoli. Now with the broccoli, you know, it's very simple. You can just break them off like so. Little florets. I think that's the way you pronounce it, florets. Break them off like so. Or if you chose to cut them off, you can cut them off like so. Right? Go ahead and put those in our colander. Put this aside. Okay, now as for your cauliflower, normally, of course, it's gonna come inside of a leaf glove, right? So you need to remove this leaf glove right here like so. Ideally, then you can go ahead and cut it off. All right, make it easier for you. You see that little portion right there? You're just gonna go right here. And just remove that inner portion right there. All right? No longer need that. This is what you want, the little florets, right? Like so. Cut it down the middle like that. And like that. Take them to the side. We'll get this out of here like so. Put it in there. You can cut it, make it a little bit smaller if you like. Yeah, man. Okay, grab these, put them in here like so. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and wash the veggies. Run some cold water on them. Wash them in our colander. I'll go ahead and put them inside of our mixing bowl, like so. Mix them all together. Like so. All right. And for the sake of time, we'll go ahead and set our oven, right? We're gonna set our oven for 425, and we're gonna bake these babies for like 20, 25 minutes. All right, so we'll go bake. We're gonna go 425 to 5. Okay, hit start. All right, and that's preheating, getting that together. So next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna pull out whatever baking dish you choose to bake them on, right? I'm gonna use my old trusted baking pan. I've already oiled it down and so forth. I have olive oil on the surface of my baking pan. You can use a glass dish, or you can use a regular metal pan with parchment paper. It's your choice, right? First thing we're gonna do, olive oil. We're gonna go ahead and pour our olive oil onto our delectable, delicious looking veggies. Onion powder. And it's a measured preference, however much you choose to put on. Garlic powder. The flavor is immense, man. Using that onion powder and this garlic powder on anything, immense. I'm gonna go with the no salt Arthur Churchers, however you pronounce it. You get it wrong sometimes. Like so. That's number flavor right there, baby. I'm gonna go ahead and throw my pepper in here. Okay. I'm gonna chili powder. Don't need much, man. This chili powder just provides some kick. So we're just gonna be very, very conservative with the chili powder. Yeah, there you go. You might like it a little spicier. That's good enough for me. Parmesan seasoning, right? Grated cheese. Just gonna sprinkle it over there just like that. See that? See how that look? Look at that. That Parmesan cheese over there. Okay. Now, next step. I'm gonna go ahead and put some gloves on in order to mix this up. Because you want to mix it up really well. You want to mix it up really well to ensure that each piece of the broccoli, cauliflower, and asparagus is fully covered. See, we just mix. All we're doing is just mixing it up like so. Just mixing it up. If you need to add some additional ingredients, well, this is the time to do it. It's the time to do it. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Look at that. Look at that right there, man. Man, look at that. By now, your baking sheet, you have whatever baking sheet you're gonna use, right? You've already prepped it, right? You've already applied your non-stick oil. I recommend either olive oil, right, or avocado oil, right? So what you're gonna do, take your asparagus and just layer them like so. Lay them down there like so. All right? And I'm gonna tell you something about this dish right here, man. If you're not gonna use it for a side, it could be a side dish, or it can be a standalone dish. They even taste good cold. Do like so. I got more than we need, but we're gonna go ahead and leave some in a container so we can get all of our.
I'm not quite sure how to help you with that.
God damn, Alexa, I didn't call you. Don't come for me now. I'm working. I'm gonna go ahead and put some of the. I gotta have it kind of crowded because let me tell you why. Because I love asparagus, so I'm gonna put more asparagus on the dish than I'm gonna put anything else. But I'm gonna make room for everything, okay? For the benefit of this video. I'm gonna put a little bit of everything on there, but I like asparagus. I love asparagus. I've made sure that all of my veggies are evenly coated. I'm gonna throw another asparagus spur in there like that. I'm gonna squeeze them in here, man. That's what I'm gonna do. They're gonna get 8. Because what I like to do, I like to put a little bit more Parmesan over top of them like so. And sprinkle them over just like that. Look at these beauties, man. When you look at this dish right here, this is a healthy dish. And like I said, it will taste amazing once I'm finished with it. All right, next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and put these in the oven, like so. And I'm gonna set my timer for 25 minutes. Cook time, 25 minutes, start. And that's a wrap, baby. I'll wait 25 minutes. Now you could go in and turn them, right, while they're cooking, right midway through. But yeah, 25 minutes. We're gonna be right back at you, okay? Okay. Let's go ahead and get to it, babe. See what we got. Okay. What we got here? Oh man. Look at that right there, baby. Look at that. The color is vibrant. The smell is incredible. Yeah, let's go ahead and plate some of these, man. Go ahead and plate them, right? Let's go ahead and plate them. Take a little bit of everything, right? Go ahead and plate them. What I like to do from time to time, I'll add a little grated cheese and put them in for maybe an extra minute so it can melt. After that, man, got it there. I like to put a little ranch dressing on top of them, like so. That ranch dressing, man, you can't mess nothing up with ranch dressing. You ready? Let's see what we got. Got that cauliflower, man. That ranch dressing, man. Excuse me. Damn, my legs shaking, man. God damn. Man, let me try some of that asparagus, man. Try asparagus. Yeah. Crunchy. Look at that. See that? It's awesome, man. You want some? You like it? You like it? I like it. Lord have mercy. Excuse me, I'm sorry. Try some of this cauliflower. Look at the caramelization on that cauliflower, man. Look at that. See that right there? Yeah. You done did it again. You done did it again. Hey, look here, man. Do me a favor. Try this recipe. You will not regret it. You will not regret it. Use it as a side or standalone. Even if you finish the recipe, you can put it in the refrigerator. You can warm it back over. You can eat it cold. It don't really matter. The flavor is gonna remain the same. Man, look. If you like these recipes, go ahead, subscribe, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment if you have some vegetable dishes that you like to share. Give me a link or something I can go to, put it in the comments. Leave a comment anyway. But I want to just thank y'all for joining me. My name is EA. And I'm out, baby.